Friends, in last lecture, we studied the leveled RS flip-flop. Just I want to share my PPT. The sharing is started. You are able to see the PPT, friends.
Sir.
Very nice. Just I want to present my PPT. Yes, PPT is going to present. It is ready to present. Okay. This is RS clocked flip-flop. That RS clocked flip-flop will be studied in detail in last lecture. Only addition is that extra arrangement is that two AND gate A and B. These two AND gate A and B are connected in input stage of the RS flip-flop. This block is the RS flip-flop, and extra arrangement is that the two input to AND gate A and B is connected, and one of the input of the A and B AND gate is taken as the common input, and that will be known as an clock. One of the input remaining, that is of the AND gate A, that will be known as an yes input, and other input which was remaining of the B AND gate, that will be known as an R input. This RS flip-flop is known as an RS clocked flip-flop because in last lecture we know that when clock is 0, both the AND gate A and B are disabled, their output becomes 0, and that output is a input to the RS flip-flop. S becomes 0, R becomes 0, and output of the RS flip-flop is at the no change or the initial state. When and only when the RS flip-flop is going to change their inputs when clock is high, and when the clock is high, this clock input is high, then S and R input are able to transfer at the S dash and R dash respectively. And this is the basic characteristic of the RS flip-flop, and that RS flip-flop will be yesterday, that is day before, we see in detail, and its working will be detailed studied according to truth table of the RS clocked flip-flop. Okay, today we are going to see Today we are going to see the second type of the clocked flip-flop, and that clocked flip-flop is level clocked RS flip-flop. What is the name of that flip-flop? That is level clocked. Just I am taking the laser pointer. This is the laser pointer. We are able to see. What is the name of this one? Another application of the RS flip-flop. One is the RS flip-flop. That is day before we study the RS clocked flip-flop, and here the level clocked RS flip-flop. That is also known as an leveled RS clocked flip-flop. RS flip-flop, RS clocked flip-flop, and leveled RS clocked flip-flop. These are three different types of the RS flip-flop. What are the three different types of the RS flip-flop? That is, the one is the simply RS flip-flop, that will be known as an set reset flip-flop. This some modification are made in RS flip-flop, that will be known as an RS clocked flip-flop, and again some modification are made in design of the RS clocked flip-flop. That third flip-flop is known as an leveled RS clocked flip-flop or level clocked RS flip-flop. These three are different RS flip-flop with making some modification, with making some advances. The type of flip-flop, that is the nomenclature of the type of the flip-flop was made. That is the simple one is the RS clocked flip-flop. That RS clocked flip-flop with making some advances, it is transferred to the RS clocked flip-flop. Again, making some advances in RS clocked flip-flop, it is transferred to level clocked RS flip-flop. And this level clocked RS flip-flop, also known as an D flip-flop, or universally it is familiar and popular with the name of the D latch. Baga, there are the three names of this flip-flop. One is level clocked RS flip-flop. This is the straight one name. It is also known as an D flip-flop. त्यालाच आपल्याला D flip-flop असं म्हटलं जातं. त्यालाच पुढे जाऊन डी लॅच असं म्हटलं जातं मित्रांनो. युनिव्हर्सली तो पॉप्युलर आहे. पॉप्युलर आहे म्हणजे फेमस विथ द नेम आहे. अँड दॅट नेम इज द डी लॅच. And D latch is importantly used in many applications. In last lecture, one of the student, one of the fellow, that will be asked, that is the what are the applications of the RS clocked flip-flop. And at the end of the lecture, I will discuss the number of the application where the RS clocked flip-flop or the RS flip-flop or the level clocked RS flip-flop or register and counter. There are the different or the many number of the applications where the digital electronics, logic gate or the modification of the logic gate or the flip-flops are used. Okay, like that. Here, the level clocked RS flip-flop is familiar with the name of the D flip-flop as well as the D latch. Okay. तो डी लॅच या नावानं फॅमिलर आहे, पॉप्युलर आहे मित्रांनो, आणि याच नावानं त्याचे जास्त ऍप्लिकेशन्स आहेत. आणि त्याचं सायंटिफिक नेम जे आहे, सरळ जे नाव आहे, जे सहजपणे जे घेतलं जातं ते म्हणजे लेवल क्लॉक्ड RS फ्लिप-फ्लॉप. पण तो पॉप्युलर कोणत्या नावाने आहे? डी फ्लिप-फ्लॉप आणि डी लॅच या नावानं तो पॉप्युलर आहे. व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स? जस्ट कंपेअर द टू डायग्राम. This is the diagram, this is the design, or this is the circuit diagram for the D latch or level clocked RS flip-flop. We know that in last lecture just we study this RS clocked flip-flop. In RS clocked flip-flop there is the RS flip-flop, this is the block, and these two are that is the AND gate A and AND gate B. These two are AND gate A and AND gate B. This assembly is the external assembly, and the common of the both AND gate is taken as the clock. Is it correct? What is the change in this diagram? In D latch or in level clocked RS flip-flop, what is the difference? See here, that is, this is the AND gate A. Just I am taking the pen. This is the one AND gate that is known as an A. This is the other AND gate that is known as an B. दोन AND gate घेतलेले आहेत, अगदी बरोबर आहेत बघा. ह्या दोन AND गेटचं एक इनपुट कॉमन घेतलेलं आहे, अगदी बरोबर आहे, मी लेसर घेतोय. दोन AND गेटचं एक एक इनपुट कॉमन घेतलं, त्याला क्लॉक म्हटलं, म्हणजे मगाच्या सारखीच अरेंजमेंट आहे. पण इथं काय होतं, यस होतं आणि इथं आर होतं सेपरेट. त्याला दोन इनपुट लागत होते, यस आणि आर दोन असतील तरच इथं क्यू आणि क्यू बार मिळत होता. म्हणजे इथं यस आणि आर अशा दोन होत्या इनपुट, पण इथं काय केलंय बघा, यस आणि आरच्या मध्ये मित्रांनो काय टाकलेलं आहे? नॉट गेट टाकलेलं आहे, नॉट गेट, इन्व्हर्टर टाकलेलं आहे, इन्व्हर्टर. म्हणजे आता यस इनपुट आणि आर इनपुट या दोघांच्या मध्ये काय टाकलेलं आहे? फक्त इन्व्हर्टर, नॉट गेट टाकलेला आहे. आणि हा जर नॉट गेट टाकला तर आता यस आणि आर दोन इनपुट आपल्याला लागत नाहीये, एकच इनपुट लागते मित्रांनो, आणि त्या इनपुटला डी इनपुट असं म्हटलेलं आहे, म्हणून याचं नाव आहे डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप. बारकाईनं बघा, आरएस फ्लिप फ्लॉप मध्ये दोन इनपुट लागतात, एक यस आणि एक आर. यस 0 0 असेल तर वाय 0 असतो, यस 0 असेल आणि आर जर 1 असेल तर वाय हा 0 असतो. यस 1 असेल आणि आर 0 असेल तर वाय हा 1 असतो. आणि यस इज इक्वल टू 1 आणि आर इज इक्वल टू 1 असेल तर फ्लिप फ्लॉप टॉगल होतो, नॉट डिफाईन होतो, किंवा रेस कंडिशन येते, टॉगलिंग कंडिशन येते. दॅट विल बी नोन एज अन नॉट डिफाइनिंग स्टेट, नॉट अलाउड एट स्टेट. म्हणजे आरएस फ्लिप फ्लॉप मध्ये दोन इनपुट्स लागतात, एक यस लागतं आणि एक आर लागतं, तरच आपल्याला वाय आणि वाय बार मिळतं. बरोबर. आरएस क्लॉकड फ्लिप फ्लॉप मध्ये दोन अँड गेटची अरेंजमेंट आहे, एक कॉमनला क्लॉक आहे, एक वरती यस आहे, खाली आर आहे. म्हणजे आरएस क्लॉकला सुद्धा दोन इनपुट लागतात, एक यस लागतो, एक आर लागतो. यस 0 असेल, आर 0 असेल, आउटपुट क्यू किंवा वाय 0 असतो. यस जर 0 असेल आणि आर जर 1 असेल तर आउटपुट वाय 0 असतो. यस जर 1 असेल तर आणि आर जर 0 असेल तर आउटपुट वाय हा सेट असतो, म्हणजे 1 असतो. आणि यस जर 1 असेल आणि आर जर 1 असेल तर टॉगलिंग कंडिशन मिळते, and that will be known as an RS clocked flip flop. It will be clocked when the clock is high, when clock is low it does not clocked, it does not give any type of the output. That will be known as an RS clocked flip flop. It means that Deepthi please unmute. Deepthi please unmute. Sorry, Deepthi please mute. See here, Deepthi,
हाँ सर.
Deepthi, please, your mic is open. Please mute it. Okay, see here. In RS flip flop, in RS clock flip flop, and in RS, see here, first is the RS flip flop, and in RS clock flip flop, in both the flip flop, two inputs are required. That is, one is the yes input and other is the R input. Both the inputs are required, but in here level clocked RS flip flop only one input is required, and that is known as a D input. Only one input is required, because in between the yes and R the NOT gate is inserted, that is the inverter is inserted, and that's why only D input is required, and the complement of D is given to the input to the B AND gate. Means that if here we give the 0, 1 is given to the B input. If here we give the 1, that is 0 is given to the B AND gate. It means that just by inserting an inverter or NOT gate in between the yes and R input, we are going to fabricate, or we are going to design the D flip flop. And this is the one of the characteristic, this is the one of the specific property of the D flip flop, that is it require only single rail data. Doesn't matter here, there is no requirement of giving the double rail data. There is a requirement there, if we only provide only single rail data, the D flip flop is going to operate like the RS flip flop or like the RS clocked flip flop. Just giving one input, the D latch is operate like the RS flip flop or RS clocked flip flop. It's set and reset according to D input, and this is the best and entertainment property of the D flip flop. See here, what is seen, what is written here? A level clocked RS flip flop is known as a D flip flop, or it also popular with the name of the D latch. This question is number of time this question is asked in objective, that is the RS किंवा level clocked RS flip flop is known as dot dot dot. It may be D flip flop or it may be D latch. It is consist of two AND gate. जसं नेहमी RS clocked flip flop मध्ये एक्सटर्नल अरेंजमेंट आपण बसवतो A आणि B AND गेटची तशीच असते. And extra NOT gate is connected to the input of the RS flip flop. Only NOT gate is the extra to the leveled RS flip flop as shown below. Which is the extra? Only NOT gate is extra than that of the RS clocked flip flop. In RS clocked flip flop, there is the arrangement of the two AND gate that will be known as an ANDed arrangement of the two gate A and B. The extra is the NOT gate is placed between the S and R input, and that extra arrangement gives the one of the popular type of the flip flop that will be known as an D flip flop. Okay. There is the NOT is inserted in between the D and the input to the B AND gate. This is the D input and this is the one of the input of the B AND gate, and in between these two terminal only NOT gate is inserted. Means that only change is that in between the S and R input here NOT gate is inserted, NOT gate is placed, and with making such arrangement by placing the NOT gate one can able to fabricate the D flip flop, and one can able to fabricate the important popular type of the RS clocked flip flop, that is the D latch. Okay. It did not require the double rail data, just the single input is required, and with giving single input one can able to get the flip flop, one can able to set or reset the flip flop that will be known as a D flip flop. See here, consider we are going to see the truth table of the D flip flop. Uh, till this lecture about the 10 to 12 lecture of the duration about the 1.5 hours, we are going to see each and every type of the gate, that is derived gate, combinational gate. In each gate we are going to see the truth table, and here the truth table of the D flip flop that will be shown in tabular form, that is clock, CLK clock, then D and Q is the output, this is the D, this is the clock, these are the input, and Q and Q bar are the output of the RS flip flop. The extra arrangement is ANDed arrangement, and NOT gate is inserted between D and one of the input of the B AND gate. Okay. What will be the first stage? First stage or first state of the truth table is going to seen in a presentation on a screen of the mobile. That is, if the clock is 0, that is, this is the don't care condition, we know that. That is, the clock is 0, both the AND gate are disabled, and if the both the AND gate are disabled, their output becomes 0, and if the AND gates, both the AND gate A and B are disabled, their output becomes 0, and that is the input to the RS flip flop. That is, the S becomes 0, R becomes 0. If the S becomes 0, R becomes 0, the output of the RS flip flop, that is Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is equal to 1. That is, the flip flop is the reset, that is the, it will be goes to the initial stage. See here, just I am taking the pen, red pen. See, this is underlined. We are coming to the first stage. If the clock is 0, if the clock is 0, this is clock is 0. Do not see about the D flip flop. आता D इनपुट कडे जायचं नाहीये. ही क्लॉक आहे ती 0 असेल मित्रांनो. क्लॉक 0 असली तर AND गेट A चं एक इनपुट 0 झालं. AND गेट B चं एक इनपुट 0 झालं. AND गेटचं एक जर इनपुट 0 असेल तर डोंट केअर कंडिशन, दुसरं बघायचं नाही. ते 0 आहे का 1 नाही बघायची गरज नाही. इथं जर 1 असलं तर 1 into 0 आउटपुट 0च होईल. इथं जरी 0 असलं तर 0 into 0 आउटपुट इथं 0च होईल. म्हणजे एक गेटचं एक जरी इनपुट 0 असलं तर दुसरं बघायची गरज नाही मित्रांनो. काय असेल आउटपुट 0 असेल. अँड गेट बी चं एक इनपुट 0 असेल तर इथं बघायची गरज नाही, हे 1 आहे की हे 0 आहे बघायची गरज नाही मित्रांनो. 1 असलं आणि 0 असलं तरी बी अँड गेटचं आउटपुट 0च असणार. त्यामुळं आता हा आउटपुट पुढे गेला आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉपच्या एस ला 0 मिळालं, आर ला 0 मिळालं मित्रांनो, एस ला 0 मिळालं, आर ला 0 मिळालं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉपचा आउटपुट काय झाला सांगा. इनपुट जर 0 0 असेल तर आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉपचा आउटपुट झाला मित्रांनो 0. आउटपुट काय झाला सांगा, 0 झाला. म्हणजे नो चेंज. पूर्वीची जी इनिशियल स्टेट असेल तीच स्टेट मिळेल, कसल्याही प्रकारचे स्टेट मध्ये चेंज होणार नाही. म्हणजे इथं क्लॉक जोपर्यंत 0 आहे मित्रांनो, मी काय घेतो, मित्रांनो मी लेसर घेतलेला आहे, लेसर. लक्षात आलं का बघा, क्लॉक जर 0 असेल तर एचं एक इनपुट आपोआप 0 होतं, आउटपुट 0 होतं, एच 0 होतो, बीचं एक इनपुट 0 होतं, त्याचा आउटपुट 0 होतो, आर 0 होतो आणि आउटपुट ऑफ द आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉप बिकम नो चेंज. आणि नो चेंज किंवा लास्ट स्टेट हे कशामध्ये दिसतं बघा, that will be seen in truth table of the, that is the first state of the truth table of the D flip flop. Okay, just I take the eraser. मी हे सगळंच्या सगळं डस्टरनं पुसून टाकतोय मित्रांनो. इकडे बघा मी हे सगळं पुसतोय, हे सगळं पुसूया. आपल्याला माहित आहे इथं काय होतं बघा, मी इरेजर ठेवलेला आहे आणि पुन्हा मी काय घेतोय मित्रांनो, लेसर, सॉरी पेन घेतोय आणि हा अँड गेटचं जे नाव होतं मगाशी ते पुन्हा लिहितो इथं मित्रांनो. मी ए लिहिलेलं आहे, दिस इज द ए. ओके, आता आपण काय घेणार आहे इथं बघा, दुसरी स्टेट बघा ट्रूथ टेबल मधली. दुसऱ्या स्टेट मध्ये लक्षात आलं क्लॉक 1 होणार आहे आणि मी डी 0 ठेवणार आहे. मी इथं क्लॉक 1 ठेवलं की आपल्याला माहित आहे ए चं एक इनपुट 1 झालं, बी चं एक इनपुट 1 झालं. आता मी डी काय ठेवलेलं आहे बघा, ट्रूथ टेबल मध्ये 0 ठेवलेला आहे, त्यामुळं ए चा एक इनपुट 0 झाला. ए चे इनपुट 0 आणि 1 अँड गेट आहे, गुणाकार 0 इंटू 1 0, त्यामुळे इथं आउटपुट 0 झाला मित्रांनो. आता हा डी 0 असल्यामुळं हा कुठं दिलेला आहे बघा, इथं खाली येईल हा, आणि हा इथं आला बघा मित्रांनो. आणि हा इथं आल्यानंतर हा इथं जर 0 दिला तर हा नॉट गेट आहे, इन्व्हर्टर आहे, मला इथं 1 मिळेल मित्रांनो. इन्व्हर्टर म्हणजे त्याचा आउटपुट कॉम्प्लिमेंट असतो, त्यामुळे इथं मला 1 मिळेल. बी चे इनपुट झाले 1 आणि 1, आउटपुट झाला 1, त्यामुळे इथं यस ला 0 मिळाला मित्रांनो आणि आर ला 1 मिळाला. जरा बारकाईनं बघितलं, आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉपचा हा आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉप आहे मित्रांनो, हा जो आहे तो आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉप आहे. आर एस फ्लिप फ्लॉपचा यस इनपुट 0 झाला, आर इनपुट 1 झाला, तर फ्लिप फ्लॉप हा रिसेट होतो. फ्लिप फ्लॉप हा रिसेट होतो म्हणजे 0 होतो. हा फ्लिप फ्लॉप रिसेट झाला. रिसेट झाल्यामुळं आपण इथं जर बघितलं तर इथं मात्र ट्रूथ टेबल मध्ये काय लिहिलंय बघा, रिसेट लिहिलेलं आहे. that is flip flop is reset because the 0 is stored inside the flip flop and flip flop become reset. flip flop हा रिसेट झाला म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये 0 हे स्टोअर झालं. बघा इथं आपल्याला दोन इनपुट द्यायला लागले नाहीत, फक्त डी 0 ठेवला तर वाय मध्ये किंवा क्यू मध्ये 0 झाला बघा, फ्लिप फ्लॉप रिसेट झाला. म्हणजे आपल्याला पूर्वी जे यस ला 0, आर ला 1 असं जे द्यायला लागत होतं, डबल रेल इनपुट लागत होता, तो इथं डी लॅच मध्ये डबल रेल इनपुट लागत नाही. इथं जो लागतो तो काय लागतो मित्रांनो सांगा, हिअर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सिंगल रेल डाटा, and single rail data means requirement of only one input, and that input is the D input. If the D input is 0, automatically due to the due to the NOT gate, one of the input of the AND gate B become 0, and due to that the output of the AND gate B becomes the 1, and the input to the RS flip flop S become 0, R become 1, and its output become reset, that is the Q become 0 and flip flop become reset. What is the status of the flip-flop here? That is the flip-flop become reset. It is the status of that flip-flop, and such a type of the glorious, such a type of very nice flip-flop, that is known as an D flip-flop. Just I came to the, I am going to take the eraser and erasing all these things, that is erasing all the animations. See here, such a type of eraser here. It will be work as the duster. Okay, just it requires some time, but it clean all the things. Okay, see here, just I am taking the pen here, and we are go to the last state of this truth table, which is that, see here, this is the last state. D is equal, that is the clock is 1 and D is 1. See here, that is clock is equal to 1, D is equal to 1, clock 1 मुळे हे 1 होईल, B चे एक इनपुट 1 होईल, या 1 मुळे हे 1 इथं दिलेलं आहे, नॉट ला दिलेलं आहे, त्यामुळे नॉट चा इथं 0 होईल, आउटपुट 0 कॉम्प्लिमेंट. बी चे इनपुट बघा 1 0, आउटपुट 0 झाला. इथं बघा हा 1 ए चा इनपुट, आउटपुट काय झाला बघा, ए चे इनपुट 1 1, त्यामुळे आउटपुट 1. इथं यस 1 आणि आर 0 आहे, यस 1 आर 0 मुळे आउटपुट काय झाला बघा, 1 झाला. म्हणजे फ्लिप फ्लॉप झाला सेट. फ्लिप फ्लॉप काय झाला बघा, इथं बार काही ना, फ्लिप फ्लॉप झाला सेट. यस मी दाखवलेलं आहे, फ्लिप फ्लॉप सेट झाला. आता इथं जर लास्ट स्टेज पाहिली तुम्ही, तर फ्लिप फ्लॉप काय झालेलं आहे बघा इथं, that is the flip flop becomes set. Flip flop काय झाला, set झाला. D is equal to 1, that is clock is equal to 1, that is inputs to AND gate A are 1 1, inputs to AND gate B are 1 0, because of the NOT is inserted between D and one of the input of the B gate, and it will be work as the complement of the 1, that is the 0. Inputs to AND gate B are 1 and 0, output of the AND gate B is 0. Inputs to RS flip flop is equal to S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, and the flip flop become set, that is the Q become high. And such a type of storing 0 in this stage. See here, in this state we are storing the 0, and in last stage we are storing the 1, that is the, we know that flip flop is the memory devices, and it is used to store the binary digit. If the one binary digit is stored, that is the flip flop is the set. If the 0 binary digit is stored, the flip flop will be reset. And here, using single rail input data, that is the D input, one can able to set, one can able to reset the flip flop. It means one can able to store the 0, store the 1 inside the RS flip flop by using only one input, that is the D flip flop, and that is popular with the name of the D latch. This is popular with the name of D latch. Friends, here I am going to summarize this D latch. We know that the D latch is the one of the RS flip flop, one of the modification of the RS flip flop, in which the ANDed arrangement, like the clocked flip flop, an extra NOT gate is inserted between S and R input of the RS flip flop, thus making such a very small modification, we can get the popular type of the flip flop, that is known as a D flip flop. It is also known as an level clocked RS flip flop. It is also popular with the name of the D latch, and it will be operate according to only single rail input with giving in only single input, we can store either 0 or either 1 in RS flip-flop. Such flip-flop is known as an D flip-flop. Any doubt, friends? Friends, any doubt? Please.
No,
Unmute.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.